Hi, I'm Dr. Sally Spencer Thomas. Let me ask you something. Do you want a clear, practical way to support mental health at work without guessing or overthinking or worrying you might make things worse? Well, I got a solution for you. On March 25th, I'm inviting you to bring your team to the Workplace Wellbeing Summit. It's a hands-on workshop style day hosted by Glastonbury Rotary at the Glastonbury Hills Country Club from 9 to 4 p.m. This one's especially meaningful to me. I was born and raised in Glastonbury, and my brother, who also grew up there, died by suicide in 2004. So coming home to serve this community in his honor truly matters. You're going to leave with 9 evidence-based best practices, a clear roadmap, and tools you can actually use. Plus, you'll get CEUs and SHRM and HRCI credits, so there's really no reason not to come. If you care about your people, bring a team, join us. Let's lead together. I'll see you there.